Ways to enhance your home security. Reinforce entry points. Strengthening your entry points is crucial for better security. Install high-quality doors made of solid wood or metal with sturdy frames. Use deadbolt locks with a minimum 1-inch throw and reinforce strike plates with longer screws. Consider adding a peephole or a smart doorbell camera for added visibility and control. Upgrade to smart security systems. Consider installing a smart security system that offers advanced features and remote access. These systems typically include motion sensors, door, window sensors, security cameras, and smartphone integration. You can monitor your home, receive real-time alerts, and even remotely control your security system, enhancing convenience and peace of mind. Install security cameras. Surveillance cameras act as a visible deterrent and provide valuable evidence in case of a security breach. Place cameras at strategic locations, including entry points, driveways, and other vulnerable areas. Opt for high-resolution cameras with night vision capabilities for clear recordings, and consider cloud storage or DVR systems to store the footage securely. Outdoor lighting and landscape design. Adequate outdoor lighting helps deter potential intruders and improves overall visibility. Install motion sensor lights near entry points, walkways, and around your property. Additionally, well-designed landscaping can enhance security. Trim shrubs and bushes to eliminate hiding spots and ensure clear visibility from windows and entryways. Secure Wi-Fi network and smart devices. Safeguard your home's network and smart devices to prevent unauthorized access. Secure your Wi-Fi network with a strong password and encryption. Regularly update firmware and software for your smart devices to patch any vulnerabilities. Use unique, strong passwords for each device and consider enabling two-factor authentication whenever possible. Remember that no security measure is foolproof, but implementing multiple layers of security can significantly reduce the risk of intrusion. Consider your specific needs and budget when choosing security enhancements, and don't forget to practice basic safety habits like locking doors and windows when you're away.